All right, guys, what is up, and welcome back to the channel. So I just got home from work, and as you guys know, I just accepted a new position at Interstate 69 Motorsports. You can tell by the cap there, repping the company. You know, guys, I accepted a position in service. So if you need any parts, accessories, anything like that, go ahead and give us a call. I've got some high gear swaps for some sportsmen. I know you highlight guys are out there. I've got a stock snorkel kit for the Rangers. Go ahead and get all that set up. So guys, just go ahead and give me a call. Anything you need, I'll try and do my best to get you set up. But anyway, guys, today's video, we are just doing a time-lapse disassembly of a Pro R. So the Pro R came in to service, had some transmission noise, and we actually found 3 bearings down. So guys, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into the video. I'm ready to see it. I hope you guys are too.